The 2S4 Tyulpan self-propelled heavy mortar system offers great firepower with 240mm mortars, but is fairly vulnerable as the system has little protection around the ammunition that's being used, and has little protection itself. The shorter range, around half that of 155mm artillery system, means it needs to be closer to the front line and easier to spot with surveillance drones. Which was the case here, as a HIMARS strike hit close by. While the hit was a little more off, the blast fragmentation pierced the armor and caused some ammunition to burn, destroying another of Russia's heavy mortar system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.